Good morning, everyone, or perhaps it's afternoon or evening, depending where you are in the world and what time you see this. For us, it is a Saturday morning, and we are on the way to Calgary. We're going to visit the World of Wheels car show. Now, my understanding is this is not a new car show, so to speak. It's old cars, older motorcycles, at least that's my understanding from reading up, was it's a first for KassDays as well. We've never been to this, we didn't even know that show actually exists. I checked up a little bit on it, and apparently they have it in different Canadian cities, but also in the US in some cities. It's always under the same name, World of Wheels. So I'm kind of looking forward. I think they may have some hot rods, maybe some modified motorcycles. As I say, not quite sure what to expect, but looking forward, and we'll be checking this out, and hopefully you join us and we'll explore together. T-shirts, whole bunch of baseball caps. Here we got tables full of stickers. Over here we got some pictures framed to buy of old cars.
All right, it's time to ask you to look at that Kass prize here. I'm asking about the World of Wheels, semi-custom restorations, 3 lucky restorations. We will start.
Old sign imitations here.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Oh, yes. Look at that, they made an aquarium out of a gas pump here. So, what did you think? We walked the show floor, checked out World of Wheels. I had a lot of fun. You see an old little red truck behind us here. Hopefully you enjoyed it as well. If you did, send us a comment. a like, a subscribe. Thanks for all of our subscribers, and you will see us very soon again.